This hurts your knees. What if I had a skirt on right now?
I would be going like this.
So I wore my boy underwear that we bought at Gabe's that time yesterday.
Sweet. This is intense.
Okay. How do I get off?
I don't know. Maybe just jump.
No. Okay. What's that?
Go. It's your birthday.
Oh, it's a hair tie. A little baby hair tie. It's my birthday. My birthday lasted like a week.
Yeah, how about I got a birthday card yesterday? I was like, yeah! It was like 4 months ago.